Hello and welcome back to Stackhouse Knives. Thank you very much for watching. Today I'm going to be making some tongs. I'm going to give my forge that I made in a previous video. You can click the link here and you'll be able to check out that video. I've just made the forge. I want to give it a good run. I want to break it in so it's had a good amount of time to heat up and cool down. And I want to test it out, see how long and how hot it can run. So I'm going to be making a bunch of tongs that we're going to be selling on our website very soon. So I'm going to be making out the shape. I've actually got a sample here. So I've got one of the ones here. This is going to be my tong shape here. I'm going to make a bunch of them, see how much steel I've got, and we'll knock them out. I'll make all of these guys first hand, and then I'm going to drop the holes and punch the holes in them. And if you haven't seen my video on making rather crude tongs, you can check this video out here. And that'll show you how I sort of made them. They're just simple flat jaw, snub nose, flat jaw tongs. So I'm going to make a bunch of them today. I'm going to test my forge out to see how well it works, how hot it can get, and yeah, give it a good run. So that's the plan. They're going to look like. Be careful not to make them the opposites. I've done 5 so far and I just flipped that one round, so I don't know what I was thinking. To heat that one back up and make it and forge the jaw back on the other side. Hopefully I can fix it without mucking it up too much. Alright, so I might wrap the video up there. All the reins are done, they're knocked out. The next thing I need to do for these guys is punch the holes for the rivets, and I've got a tool that I made in a previous video for that. And just general tidy up, making sure that the tongs have a nice scissor action, that they're going to close up nicely and have a comfortable grip. I can't think of anything else, so yeah, I'm going to wrap the video up from there, and I've run out of time today as well, so that's also the other thing. If you enjoyed this video, no, smash that like button with a giant hammer, and subscribe. If you're new to the Stackhouse Knives channel, you'll be able to see some really cool stuff coming out of this channel. You'll get notifications of when our next video will be out as well, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I'd love to see a like from all of you really. Until tomorrow, hopefully I can whip the rest of these guys out and get them all done. Thank you very much for watching.